Hello friends, today we are going to discuss one example on change the order of integration. Now let us see one example. Here we have example in that integration 0 to 1, second integration from 0 to under root 1 minus x square, and this is nothing but the integrand. Now here one limits that are constant and other it is function in x. So we know that if it is function in x, so it is limits of y. So we have this is y equal to 0 to y equal to under root 1 minus x square, and this is nothing but the limits of x. Now whenever we have limits of y as a function of x, that means whatever the region, in that region strip is parallel to y-axis. Now if you observe the integrand, here we have 1 plus e raised to y, and here we have under root 1 minus x square minus y square. So since it is function of x, limits of y, we have to integrate first with respect to y. But if you are integrating first with respect to y, it is difficult to integrate first with respect to y, because here we have 1 plus e raised to y, here we have 1 minus y square. But if you observe that if we integrate with respect to x, then you can 1 minus y square take as a constant. This is also constant. So I think in this example, it is easy to integrate first with respect to x. So we have to change the order of integration. First we'll draw the region of integration. So we have, this is what, x equal to 0 to x equal to 1. So this is x equal to 0 to this line, x equal to 1. Now y equal to 0, that means x-axis, and y equal to this under root 1 minus x square. So squaring this is y square, x square plus y square, that means that it is nothing but that part of circle in the first quadrant. So this is the region of integration. Now in this region, if the strip is parallel to y-axis, so we have this limit. So take strip parallel to x-axis. What we are taking? Strip parallel to x-axis. Now if you are taking strip parallel to x-axis, in order to change the integration, order of integration, so the end point of this strip, it gives the limits of x. So x varies from x equal to 0 to this circle, no? So equation of circle, x square plus y square equal to 1. So what we have, x equal to under root 1 minus y square. Now limits of y varies from this line to this line. Okay, so y varies from this line is y equal to 0 to y equal to 1. So limits of y is from y equal to 0 to y equal to 1, and limits of x is what? X equal to 0 to x equal to under root 1 minus y square, and the limits dx dy integrand as it is, that 1 plus e raised to y, and here it is nothing but under root 1 minus x square minus y square. Now since limits of x function of y, you can integrate first with respect to what? X. So integrate with respect to x, keeping 1 plus e raised to y outside because it is constant. So I equal to 0 to 1 upon 1 plus e raised to y. Then integration of 0 to under root 1 minus y square. This is what? Dx upon under root 1 minus x square minus y square, and this is dy. So you can take 1 minus y square is equal to some variable. Suppose I am taking it is equal to b square, because you can take it is also a, but I am taking b. So 1 upon 1 plus e raised to y. So this is what 0 to what? B, and this is dx upon under root, this is b square minus x square dy. Now integration of this term is nothing but sine inverse of that x. Sine in, what is the integration of a square minus x square? Sine inverse of x upon a. So its integration is what? Sine inverse of that x upon b from 0 to b dy. Now the integration of this term, if you are putting upper limit, that sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2, and I'm taking that pi by 2 outside, and sine inverse of 0 is 0. So we have only 1 upon 1 plus e raised to y dy. Now let us solve this integration 1 upon 1 plus e raised to y. So you have to add here plus e raised to y, subtract e raised to y. So pi by 2 integration 0 to 1, 1 plus e raised to y minus e raised to y upon 1 plus e raised to y dy. So this is equal to pi by 2. On integrating, 1 plus e raised to y upon 1 plus e raised to y is 1. Okay. Integration, 0 to 1, it is 1 minus that e raised to y upon 1 plus e raised to y dy. Now what is the integration of 1? Integration of 1 is what? Y minus integration of this is what? Log of 1 plus e raised to y from 0 to 1. Now if you are putting the value that upper limit 1 minus that log of 1 plus e raised to 1, that is log of 1 plus e, and lower limit that 0 minus log of 1 plus e raised to 0 is 1, that is log 2. And finally by putting the value you will get the answer, that is final answer is nothing but, if you want to put the value, and the final answer of this example is pi by 2. You can write here pi by 2 in bracket log of that 2e upon 1 plus e. Final answer is pi by 2 into log of 2e upon 1 plus e. Thank you.